Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, June 15, 2022 on our channel. RDM introduced the new USB to fiber adapter. CAREL signs a binding agreement to purchase 70% of the share capital of Sauber S.r.l. New studies look closer at decarbonising heating and cooling sector. Kenya and Ghana take a step towards improving training in the area of HC cooling technology. IARW and IRTA merge and formally become GCCA. Viessmann Refrigeration Solutions joins NASRC as a silver member. So, first news today. RDM introduced the new USB to fiber adapter. Resource Data Management, RDM, are delighted to introduce the new USB to fiber adapter. The adapter provides fiber optic cable connections to compatible devices, which include DM Touch and Mini, RDM's control and monitoring systems front end. Intuitive TDB and Mini Intuitive TDB, HVAC and Refrigeration PLC controllers. Touch XL TDB, HVAC and Refrigeration PLC controller, and 10 touchscreen display in one. Fiber optic networks can be used as an alternative to Ethernet IP to utilize several benefits, notably cable lengths. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. CAREL signs a binding agreement to purchase 70% of the share capital of Sauber S.r.l. CAREL Industries S.p.A. announces that a binding agreement for the acquisition of 70% of the share capital of Sauber S.r.l. and Quad, Sauber and Quad, a company based in Porto Mantovano, Mantua, active mainly in the sector of on-field installation and maintenance services for HVAC/humidification systems in commercial and residential buildings, with a strong focus on energy efficiency. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. New studies look closer at decarbonising heating and cooling sector. The European Commission has published 4 studies that look at different aspects of the decarbonisation of heating and cooling in the EU. Roughly half of the energy consumed at present in Europe is used for heating and cooling, and most of it is based on fossil fuels. Consequently, shifting this sector towards the use of renewable energy has the potential to make a significant contribution to decarbonizing the energy system and achieving the EU's energy and climate targets for 2030, and ultimately its goal to become climate neutral by 2050. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Kenya and Ghana take a step towards improving training in the area of HC cooling technology. GCCA together with local authorities in Ghana and Kenya provided a total of 8 institutions with equipment and tools in April. This ensures effective training of RAC staff and informal technicians. Climate-friendly refrigeration tools are indispensable in training centers for refrigeration and air conditioning, RAC, technicians. Between the last week of March and the first weeks of April, the Green Cooling Initiative, GCCA, in collaboration with the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and National Ozone Unit, NOU, has delivered RAC tools and equipment to training centers in Kenya and Ghana. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. IARW and IRTA merge and formally become GCCA. The boards of directors for the International Association of Refrigerated Warehouses, IARW, and International Refrigerated Transportation Association, IRTA, have reached an agreement in principle to merge their organizations to officially form a new organization, the Global Cold Chain Alliance, GCCA. Success of the global supply chain depends on transportation and warehousing working closely together. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Viessmann Refrigeration Solutions joins NASRC as a silver member. Viessmann Refrigeration Solutions, an international manufacturer of remote and plug-in refrigeration cabinets, walk-in coolers, and refrigeration systems and accessories, has joined the North American Sustainable Refrigeration Council, NASRC, as a silver member. Natural refrigerants, which include CO2, ammonia and hydrocarbons, have zero or near zero global warming potential (GWP), making them a climate-friendly, future-proof alternative to HFCs. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.